All right. Well, look at this new stuff. This new green screen. Hey folks, just gonna start working on a status screen for Transistor. Just gonna let a few folks know I'm here. And yeah, I'm going to use Tailwind for it, probably use an existing kind of starter template to do it. But as always, if you're here, just say hello. And I'll get started in just a second here. Okay. So we're just going to use GitHub Pages for this. So I'm going to just clone this, open in the desktop. Sure, let's do that. And switch this camera here. All right. Just going to open this up now. All right. And like I said, I'm going to use an existing kind of starter template for this. Keep that open. So this is a Tailwind site I started ages ago. And yeah, I think I'm just going to grab this part here and use this as kind of a starting point. Just close all those. What's up, Joe Toronto? And let's just open that to see what it looks like. All right. So this is going to be a status page for Transistor. This is what the Stripe status page looks like. Probably can't exactly do this. Right now in our spec, we just have basically, we want to have just green check marks beside these elements here, and then we're going to just update those manually for now. Hey, what's up, Miguel? So those are the elements. Let's go back in here. And let's start by transistor.fm status. Let's actually see what kind of description do they use here. Maybe I'll just copy that exactly there. By the way, if you have any ideas on what are some examples of good status pages, Sunny, just static HTML for now. It's minimum viable status page. Current system status for our podcast hosting application. Yeah, so this is, let's look at GitHub status. Oh yeah, this is good. Yeah, this one, this looks like a good one to kind of use as a example. Okay. So I can close this. Oh, actually, maybe I should reopen that because I might use these check marks. I'm wondering if I should copy this. Let's see what this looks like. So, and where do we have that inside of? This is inside of div. I've never seen Uptime bot. Oh, that looks pretty good. Especially if this like automatically pings your site or something. What? What do you mean, Jacob? Am I missing something? Should check Twitter quick. All right. Okay, nice. Nice. Singapore. Okay. So this is going to say transistor.fm system status. Delete that. And if we need a no, this is just a static status site using Tailwind. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. I don't think we need that. So this is kind of what it's going to look like. And actually, if I'm going to use these check marks, maybe I will have a subheader that just says, what do these people say? All systems operational. That's good. All systems operational. And then, oh yeah, I disabled, just need a green. Okay. There, something like that. All systems operational, green check mark, and then we'll have check marks for all of these items. Marketing site, dashboard, etc. So let's start with marketing site and dashboard. Marketing website. And then we'll put podcast dashboard. Oh yeah, I forgot about the native emoji picker. I'm just so used to using Rocket, but then I disabled it inside of okay, embeddable players. Let's do that. Then hosted websites. And then media.cdn. Okay, let's look at this quick. Sweet. So probably won't need all of this, will I? Can remove some of these. One, two, three, four, five. Should just make it a single column. By the way, this is Clubhouse. This is the new project management software we're using, and they sponsored our podcast and gave us a 2-month free coupon code. Let me see if I can find that. So it would be clubhouse.io/build. Clubhouse.io/build. If you want to try it out, that gets you, yeah, 2 free months, which is great. Can I make that smaller? Okay. All right. So yeah, let's just create one column. How can I do that? I've got to remember what. Don't need this, don't need this. this. Okay, so I'll delete these. And then I've got to figure out how to make it a single column. How does that work with these? Got this. Oh, and then I've got this one. Okay. So if I remove this, okay. Then I want to add a new media CDN. Oh. Why does that not look right? Different class. I think this just adds margin to the bottom. There we go. Sweet. And yeah, now we need to center this. Got to remember how to do that. Let's go to Tailwind docs. Align content, center. Let's use this. So if I go, no, sorry, content center, that's what I want. Content center, does that work? Nope. What about here? Probably because this is, I need to change the width. And actually, let's go. I might want to have kind of a box like Stripe does here, right? So let's see if I can do that. Let's try this here. Okay, so let's go back here and I add that, what does that look like? It's not too bad. Okay, well, let's do that for now. Just, I need to make some progress here. So, where is that again? And yeah, eventually I'll center it. Let's change these to green. If I can remember how to do that. Current color, how do we do this? Orange, there we go. So let's change all of these to green. See what that looks like. Beauty. And maybe I'll add something like this for past incidents, and I'll just say no incidents reported. I should actually open up that file again, because it's helpful to see what I did last time. Just copy what I did before. Okay. What are these? These are all in here. Yeah, maybe I'll just copy these, put these underneath. So I think I want this here. And then I'm going to add H2 or H3, maybe past incidents. And then here I'm just going to put a little calendar thing and something like strong, what is it, March 6th, 2019, no incidents reported. All right, see what this looks like. Oh, yeah, I have that there. Oh wait, something's not right though. Past incidents. I think I need to style that. What did I use before? So these are H2. So that looks. Okay. Then we need to add some margin between these two. Can't remember how we do that. Is that just MB8? Yeah. Maybe even more than that, hey? Let's go MB10. Can you do that? MB10? All right. All right. So, yeah, that looks not too bad, hey? And what else do I need to do here? Oh, I probably want to make the background color white. How did I do that? BG white. Okay. This is how you end up kind of doing everything, isn't it? You just keep copying what you did in that one, in the project you were doing before this. The background has a gray color, but this should be white. I don't know why that didn't work. Oh, probably just the wrong one. Thanks, Joe. Working on it. Rounded. There we go. There, so now that's kind of white, so it pops up a little bit more. And then we've got past incidents down here. It's not too bad, right? We got the web app, podcast sites, API service. Where's that other one someone suggested? The GitHub status one. API requests. I should have some sort of footer eventually. I should also have overall uptime. It's a good idea. Okay, let's do that down here. I'm just going to copy this section. Actually, select this to Excel and to Excel. And just call this overall uptime. And what should we do? 100? %, the last 30 days, no downtime. Yeah. Yeah, we haven't had any incidents yet, knock on wood, but that seems to be a good placeholder. All right, and then we'll just say 100% last 30 days. 100% in the last 30 days, no downtime. Kind of looks funny. Let's do this. And now I gotta remind myself of text sizes. No. Font size. Here we go. And by the way, I'm just looking at the Tailwind docs here. So let's just do text large. Oh, I changed the wrong one. No, I'm going to keep this 2XL, but I want this one to be large. There we go. Sweet. It's not too bad. And now I just need to add some sort of footer. Did I ever put a footer in here? Not really. What is that? Tailwind examples. I grabbed this off. I wonder if anyone else has done a status site. Oh man, look at this. I could have just used this thing. Oh, I guess this is an actual service. This isn't like a template. I want that Tailwind sample sites. Oops, websites. I'm just trying to find that. Oh yeah, this is the site I was kind of using. So, oh, I should check out Twilio's. Oh yeah, Twilio's got a nice one too. I think I'm just going to grab some of this here. So this is like all in a footer section. Just go all the way to the bottom. No. Want this one here. Yeah, okay. Let's grab this. And we're going to add a new section here. Did they put this in the footer? Even this is, oh no, yeah, this is the footer. All right. So that's that section, and then that's the footer. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Sweet. It's kind of looking messed up now. Like the spacing's not great, but I just want to get this kind of the bones in there, and then I'll fix that stuff. So podcast hosting and analytics. Transistor.fm is podcast hosting analytics. We help creative brands and professionals publish their audio. And we are going to use these buttons. No. How do I actually link these buttons up? I don't even know how do I do that?
Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, bye.
I've never Oh, you have to use JavaScript for that? I'm just going to link to sign up. Okay, so I think I actually need to go sign up. Does that still work? Oh, it doesn't work. How am I supposed to? Why can't I just give that a? Like I need JavaScript to fire that button? Just try adding block class to tag. They're inline by default. Okay, you think I should try it again? So ahref. And then add inline block. Or is that not a class? Just like a style. Doesn't seem to be working. Well, I'll fix that later. And I'll fix that stuff later too. But yeah, overall this seems to work pretty well. Like I said, I'm going to clean this up, clean up some of the spacing. Okay. I think I got to bounce pretty soon here. Okay, let's edit. Let's just do this right in here. We'll delete this. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why I can't get it to look right. But I'll at least put the link in there. And then I think I'll make this login. Or actually, what do we normally say? We normally say, what do we say on help? Is it? You want me to do that in A? Sign in, that's what we use. Sign in. Block, and then flex items center. Okay. And then if I remove the underline, right? No underline. Okay, remove block class. There. Nice. Thanks, Sam. Beauty. Let's do that to the other one. So we'll add that there. Oh, that's nice. And now I just need to add some copyright information. It's copyright 2019 Transcend Star Inc. And maybe I'll go Twitter. Oops, twitter.com transistor FM. What else should I have down there? Twitter. What do these people have? Twitter, then they got all this stuff. Oh, maybe I should put customer support. Go customer support. Help.transistor.fm. And what else? Twitter. Contact support, subscribe to updates. Yeah, actually, maybe I should go knowledge base or contact support. Let's do that. Say contact support. And then we'll put help docs. Sweet. And maybe actually I'll make this a different color. What is this? BG gray. Lightest. What color did they use up here? Oh, I see, they used white. What if I should almost put both of these in boxes just to make it uniform? What's up, Mike? Yeah, that would be another idea, hey? Is to add this to this. And then add this to this. No, that's not right. Where does this one end? I didn't. I missed that. I didn't do Laracon online. Was it good? Okay, so what did I do wrong here? This is... I need an overall... Oh, uptime. Is that right? Did I mess that up? That's that one. Yeah, Steve's awesome. Yeah, I think I just messed this up because I just want a nice box like this, but P8, that's what I need. All right. So this is Tailwind CSS. All right, now we're getting somewhere. I think I'll remove that. And that, okay. So let's go down here. We will remove that one, that one. Cool. Well, it's not perfect, but it's not too bad. This all seems to work. Actually, I'm going to just change that to that get started link. I'll change that to just our marketing site. All right, so now I'm going to create a pull request for this. Yeah, this is just going to be like initial site design, static. Just kind of like that. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Tailwind. Some folks don't like that utility-based approach, but and I still haven't learned enough about it to kind of know the shorthand for all these things, but it does make the CSS a lot more readable. I could figure out, for example, when there's like margin bottom, padding overall, just makes it a lot easier to figure out in retrospect what you're doing. All right, so let's see what happened here. And there, now it's up. So again, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good for now. So I'm just going to tell John, took an initial stab at this here. And we'll see what he says. Say, start, ready for review. Beauty. All right, that's it for today. Thanks for showing up, everybody. Tailwind is for serious CSS. Yeah, if you're interested in Clubhouse, they're offering 2 months free right now. This is the Kanban board we're using. It's been really good for us. Clubhouse.io/build. Talk to you later.